wholesome crunch, air fryer, carrot peel snack recipe. Begin by washing your carrots. Next, top and tail them. Peel your carrots. You can discard the carrots. We only need the peels. Just kidding! The carrot peels will be a result of whatever you were using the carrots for originally. Season the peels however you desire. We are using salt, chili powder, and olive oil. Mix everything thoroughly. Put the carrot peels in a preheated air fryer. If you do slightly less at a time than we have, it will help them all to be crispy. Use the roast setting for 10 minutes. Mix halfway through cooking. If you want to keep any of your carrot peel snack for another day, store in a sealed container.